Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is Sat TV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Danny Seacrest, Senior Business Development Manager at Teledyne E2V. Welcome, Danny.
Hey, thanks, Richard. Thanks for having me.
Now, leading up to Satellite 2020 in March of this year, Teledyne E2V HiRel made several new product announcements. Let's start with your new 6 GHz RF Power Limiter. What purpose will customers deploy this power limiter, and what are the key advantages that it offers?
Well, Richard, to tell you, the original reason we developed this product was at the request of a large stateside customer here in Colorado, and they were looking for a way to protect the low noise amplifier in the receive section of their satellite. They had gone through most of the process, manufacturing, development, before they realized that they didn't have anything to protect that low noise amplifier from any kind of large noise spikes that might develop off of the antenna right into their receiver. And so we developed this product for them. It's a 100 watt, 6 gigahertz power limiter, as you said, and it's developed on a silicon on insulator process, which really lends itself well to radiation, high radiation tolerant requirements. And so a power limiter like this is very, very well suited for doing protecting low noise amplifiers. It has less than 1 nanosecond of response time, so it responds and shunts off the power that might be hitting it on the front end, and then limits that on the output so that we protect the low noise amplifier. Sometimes they'll even use a power amplifier or a limiter like this on the front end of a power amplifier so that you don't put too much power into that power amplifier and blow it out, right? So there's several places in the circuit architecture that RF designers may use a power limiter like this in this particular frequency band.
So that's quite interesting, but can you give us some idea of the sort of sectors or markets it would be used?
Well, we've targeted this. Basically, it's a HiRel or high reliability device, right? We do all of the space screening for this device, and therefore it's a very high value component. It's in a hermetic ceramic package, and we do all of the screening, shock and vibe, and we do radiation tolerance testing, thermal shock testing, and so that means that the part's going to be a fairly expensive device. So it's really geared towards high reliability applications, such as use in satellite RF signal design chains, receive sections, transmit sections, if you're using it in front of a power amplifier. So it's really geared towards the higher value applications of MEO, which would be middle Earth orbit, or geostationary type satellites that have a very high value.